did you go up the mountain? Oh no, don't time out. Go back in. Down in the Mournes today at the Bloody Bridge car park. I'm about to head up to the top of Slieve Donard. Today is a little bit of a joint effort sort of between me and Explorer. He managed to get 6 people to come and I got 6 people to come, so we're even. I had another 2, but apparently they're sick. Shane and Claire, you missed out. You missed out.
Johnny,
Connor, and William.
I'm David.
Kelly, Gemma, Onyx, Luna,
Mac, this is Ruby.
Gemma, Steph, Claire, Small, Ned,
HP Guy, and Riley.
And Explorer's here, and of course, Scout. Oh! She got me in the. Step 1, don't get run over, just crossing the road to get to the start. Burnett here, got hit by a car, injured, healed, and has got up a mountain today. So, you know, what's your excuse? It really doesn't like going over stiles. This first bit is like trail, which brings you up to a bridge and a river crossing, and then it widens up and you head way on up to a quarry, which is quite cool. You'll like the quarry. Like when you hit. Give it. We're back down at the bridge. Johnny here is not feeling good. He's gonna head on back, and then I'm gonna. They didn't wait on me. They just left on up the mountain. So I'm gonna try and run up and catch them. So I don't know.
Thank you. See you later.
Oh, it's much harder to run when you're wearing boots. Oh. Alistair and Young Walker's walking group. Well, you can walk, I have to try and run. Oh, I've got an absolute ton of catching up to do. Ah, there they are. They're up at the quarry. They're like, that's well, at least a kilometre ahead of me. Hello Ned, you come to rescue me? Seems Ned has come back down to rescue me. Hello. Claire came down, she out of her way, decided to cut her climb short to come down to give me some motivation to get up to the top. So thank you very much. Oh, I see the rescue party.
I want you to know that that's what I've done to ensure that you've got some company.
So that's why you tape your nipples up. Made it up to the quarry and they immediately left. Gemma here got so bored waiting on me at the quarry that she got a sketchbook and drew the quarry. We've reached the wall. Here, this is my thumbnail. Sit. That's it. Right, look at the camera. Scout, look at the camera. Smothered by adorableness. That's up to the top. There's been another 40 minutes, and the views at the top will be spectacular. I know. Look at this. These things take 30 years to decompose, and they turn into cyanide, and it poisons the local leprechauns. So, stop throwing banana skins at the boards! Tell me about your business.
I walk dogs Monday to Friday, and then I also make leads and collars made from climbing rope. So they're like sturdy, washable, last a long time, and our leads all have a 2-year guarantee.
Dog was getting a bit tired, so gonna casually walk around this corner. This is why, if you're doing outdoor stuff, you want a weather sealed camera. One word from the summit.
Baltic.
Foggy.
Amazing.
Cold.
Cold. Brilliant.
Adventure.
Group photo! Hurry up! It's so cold!
Yeah, stay over there.
It's getting windy here. We're venturing out beyond the wall to the windy bit. Woo! Top of Slieve Donard, tallest mountain in Northern Ireland. Okay, I think that's us. We're gonna get back up, head back down, and go home and get warm. So, bye.